Ever heard this strange sound from your engine and wondered what's going on? That sound could be an engine knock, and it's not something you want to ignore. Engine knock happens when the air-fuel mixture in your engine cylinders ignites unevenly. Instead of burning smoothly from the spark plug's ignition, other pockets of the mixture explode uncontrollably due to high pressure and temperature. This causes the knocking or pinging noise you hear. If left unchecked, engine knock can lead to serious damage over time. If you want to see a video explaining the common causes of engine knock, comment the word knock